To start using your FloorWasher FlashDry 6, begin by filling the clean water tank with warm water and 1 capful of the included Tineco cleaning solution. Snap the tank into place and make sure the dirty water tank is empty, fully seated, and that the filter is dry. Press the power button on the handle to turn on the vacuum. The iLoop smart sensor automatically detects dirt levels and adjusts cleaning power in real time. As you clean, the ring on the display will turn red when dirt is detected and blue when the area is clean. Voice prompts will also call out battery levels and let you know when the clean or dirty tanks need attention. Move the vacuum slowly forward to wash and backward to suction. For tougher messes, press the mode button to switch to max for a deeper clean. When you're finished, return the vacuum to the self-charging base and press the self-cleaning button. Once that cycle completes, press the self-cleaning button to activate the cycling cycle followed by the drying cycle and prevent moisture-related odors. Make sure the battery is above 20% and the clean water tank is at least 40% full before starting self-cleaning.